Welcome back. We're really excited to present our progress for Phase 2 of the A2RL Racing Challenge. In the previous video, we highlighted our expertise with aerial autonomy, and in this video, we're going to put that experience into action. We will showcase our drone racing build and also our software stack running completely on board, autonomously navigating a trajectory using a motion capture system. So let's get started. Before we dive into the build, I'd like to introduce the team behind this effort. We are a dedicated group of graduate and undergraduate students here at Illinois, under the guidance of our advisor, Professor Shan Mitra. Each of us brings a unique background in engineering and robotics, and we're combining our expertise to solve the challenges of autonomous racing. After overcoming the initial challenges of sourcing components and navigating logistics, we began the meticulous assembly of the A2RL drone. Our focus was on a robust build and clean wiring to create a reliable platform ready for the stresses of autonomous racing. Every component was carefully secured to minimize vibrations and ensure the integrity of the electrical system under load. And here is the final result: Illinois drone racing team's fully assembled A2RL race drone. This is the first of the two platforms we are building, with the second drone already under construction to accelerate our development and testing. To begin with our testing, we are using our indoor flight arena equipped with the Vicon motion capture system for precise real-time position feedback. With the drone in the air, our software is now in full control, running entirely on the onboard computer. To demonstrate its capabilities, we performed a series of escalating challenges. We began by validating the basics with a 2D constant height circle before moving to a full 3D circular trajectory, which required simultaneous altitude and path control. Finally, we try a fast figure-8 trajectory to test agile maneuvering capabilities. As the plots show, our controller maintains tight, accurate tracking across all maneuvers, from simple paths to aggressive agile flight. This successful test on the official A2RL hardware proves our system is robust and responsive. Our next steps are to move into our large-scale flight arena to begin high-speed trajectory tracking. In parallel, we are constructing the official racing gates to build a full-scale practice track. This will allow us to test and refine our entire software stack under realistic race conditions. This concludes our submission for Phase 2. We are prepared and excited for the next stage of the competition. Thank you for watching.